We're gonna watch the final episode of Demon Slayer Season 4.
Episode 8. Let's go. I'm so excited. Okay. Muzan!
Why is this episode so slow? You need to walk fast.
Oh my gosh.
Do you think the Master and Muzan will fight?
I don't know.
It's not even a model, but he's still handsome. My gosh, it's so slow. Hurry, hurry, hurry. Oh, see? Effect. Banshiki.
Final episode. Tanjiro unite. Ooh! They're united?
Yeah.
今目の前に鬼物児無惨彼はどのような姿形を
You cannot see.
瞳孔が猫のように縦長です。
そうか君は来ると思っていた
In fairness, Muzan is waiting for him to finish talk.
身の程もわきまえず千年にもわたり
What?
私
Is
に
alive for
邪魔ば
1,000
かり
years?
してきた一族の長が醜い。お
Minikui.
前からはすでに屍の匂いがするぞ、産屋敷よ。
私は半年も前には医者から数日で死ぬと言われていた
Oh,
それもひとえに君を倒したいという一心ゆえだ
お前はこれから私が殺す。
Where's Dashira?
私は
I'm scared right now.
同じ血筋なんだよ
eh?
私と君の血はも
So the relative?
う君のような怪物を一族から出してしまったせいで私の一族は呪われていた
Yeah, the relative.
同じ血筋から鬼が出ているそのものを倒すために心血を注ぎなさい
そんな事柄には何の因果関係もなし。
君の夢は何だい
To walk under the sun. Nox.
この1000年間君は一体
Yeah, he's provoking Muzan. Can't walk in the sun.
しろ。
Oh?
Was it twins?
この奇妙な懐かしさ。そしてこの屋敷には4人しか人間がいない。産屋敷と妻、子供2人だけ。
Yeah? So no one's there?
君の心が私にはわかるよ不滅を夢見ている
禰豆子の隠し場所に随分と自信があるようだな。しかし
You cannot enter, please. He can.
な
Oh my
んだ
gosh,
と
that's scary.
私は永遠が何か知っている
Oh?
人の思いこそが永遠でありこの1000年間鬼殺隊はなくならなかったかわいそうな子供たちは大勢死んだが
My gosh.
君は誰にも許されていない何度も何度も虎の尾を踏み竜の逆鱗に触れている本来ならば一生眠っていたはずの竜を君を睨んでいるよ絶対に逃がすまいと
Oh my gosh.
私を殺したところで私自身はそれほど重要じゃないんだ君が死ねば全ての鬼が滅ぶんだろう
Yes, it's true.
当たりかな
Yes.
黙れ。
He's angry.
私は幸運なことに鬼殺隊
Oh!
私が死ねば今まで以上に鬼殺隊の士気が上がる
Then Muzan doesn't have that, even they die.
Yeah.
gosh.
話は終わりだが
No, it's not. Wait, let him talk. Oh my gosh.
Arigato.
Someone. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
緊急招集緊急招集
Oh my gosh. Dali! Faster! Faster!
And there's a very, very far. Oh, even though... Oh
my gosh, I'm scared. You know, don't let him die.
He's gonna die though.
But not like I want him to die like peaceful, not like Muzan kill him.
But he's achieved. He make Muzan mad.
親方様親方様親方様親方様
This is been beloved. Go.
Come on, please. Oh my gosh, please not.
Ah! Amani also is gonna die.
He's gonna burn them.
No, in the house. How about the child? Also burn? Yeah, they-
Shit.
The children also died.
There's no barrier.
No.
Oh.
Who's that?
Who's that? Is it Muzan?
It's not the real Muzan.
Huh?
Not the real Muzan.
What? That's Muzan.
Really? So you guys... Oh, okay. So he burned also himself?
Huh? No, he did not burn himself.
So maybe it's the Ubayashiki.
Yeah.
男の俺と妻と子供の男も爆薬で消し飛ばす
Oh.
何か仕掛けてくるとは思っていた1秒でも私の再生を遅ら
So
せ
they
る
have a
ために
weakness.
ありまだ何かあるだがこれではないもっと別の何か
What is it that's coming?
動じるな間もなく体も再生す
What's that? There's still more.
There's another. Wow.
There's more.
Wow, I like the master is ready. But demon
Oh!
What? What?
Oh. Fuck.
The demon
る
art.
誰の血気術だ
Yeah,
これは
who?
Do you remember Tayo, Miss Tayo working there?
Yeah, maybe no.
Diba, she's like a doctor or something?
Maybe she's there. It's Tayo!
I'm correct! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Tamayo, not Tayo, sorry!
このトゲの血気術は
She
何
planned
のために
something.
この女は
Oh my gosh, don't die, okay?
吸収しましたね。鬼を人間に戻す薬です。
What? Oh my god!
完成したのですよ。
Oh my gosh! Oh my
お
gosh!
前も大概しつこい女だなタマよお前の夫と子供を殺したのは誰だ他ならぬお前自身だ
Oh.
お前が食い殺した
Yeah.
病で死にたくないと言ったのは子供が大人になるのを見届けたかったからだ。お前とここで死ぬ。ああ！姫島さん。
Wait, the stone? The stone?
Yeah, imagine man.
That's him, right?
Yeah.
The stone!
Oh! Oh my gosh.
Whoa!
What's that he's holding? What's that? He's careful.
Namuna mo!
Oh! It's so big!
Oh my gosh, his head! This smash!
Yeah.
It's I know it's gonna be regenerate,
Yeah,
but
maybe-
that's so satisfying.
It's nice
君
to
が人を
yeah.
守るために戦ったのだと
He's pretty.
君は人殺しではない
Aww, I believe you.
Yeah.
おとりにして
Mm.
無残の取ってくれ子供たちは
Maybe that's why
Watashi
Maybe
maybe
you only tell him that Tonoshira.
the other artist
承
said
知し
that.
ないだろう
Oh my gosh, that's why. Oh my gosh.
Mm-mm.
どうかこれ以上私の大切な子供たちが
So, she can regenerate.
親方様の読み通り
おそらく無残を滅ぼせるのは
What?
Nezuko.
日の光のみではない
Yeah, the sunlight. Yeah.
彼が死ななければ日が昇るまでの持久戦となるだろう
Okay, so they need to.
That's
you
why
know,
they bombed the area para the sun will,
you wait until sunlight.
gonna fight? Go!
He's so angry.
Oh! Third form! Oh!
Oh my gosh, the animation.
Let's go.
They're in the middle. Oh my gosh. Hey, attack all of them. Like, attack him. Let's go. Kill him.
He's been surrounded.
Yeah.
Tamayo is still there.
柱たちが集結無残だこいつが
Yeah, that's first time they saw him.
They've been waiting for him.
Nah, also him is angry. Ah! Let's go!
Because the space. Space girl. Whoa. Oh my gosh, all of them.
Scared. I'm scared.
Ah! I don't like it.
Oh, they're in the
Yeah, the space, the headquarters.
quarters. Oh my gosh, the upper demon is there.
Yeah, all of them are there.
I'm scared. All of them?
Yeah, all of them.
Oh my gosh.
He knows.
Oh my gosh. Oh. Oh my gosh, all of them.
That's why they've been locating.
Yeah. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, all demon there. Oh my gosh, I'm scared. Also the crow.
No, they're just flying, just following.
I thought he's also there.
I'm excited.
Let's go.
Someone only laughing. Who's this?
Zenitsu!
Yeah, Zenitsu.
Sorry.
Wow, he's ready.
He's
ready.
serious. Oh my gosh, he's serious. Until now?
Yeah, until now. Oh, he's awake.
Serious.
Yeah, he's not. He's awake really.
Diba, sometimes when he falls, he's like, ah! Like that.
Yeah.
炭治郎
Oh, Tanjiro, where is he? They've been separated. Oh my god, it's so far.
Oh my gosh, Mr.
こ
Mayo.
れで私を追い詰めたつもりか今宵
Oh my
皆
gosh.
打ちにして
Oh
や
my
る
gosh. Oh my gosh.
Again?
地獄に行くのはお前ら無だできるものな
Oh my.
らかまど炭治
Oh my gosh, it's been sealed plenty doors.
And then one of them will fight the one of the, upper rank. Oh my gosh, it's so crazy. The end?
They defeat first the girl.
The end? What
Then outro. There's more.
I hope there's more. Oh my gosh. It's so short, my
After
god.
many years.
That's too long. I forgot the story.
Maybe there's a movie. There's a 9 and 10. Maybe it's not training art anymore. It's already the final battle.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Okay.
When you're watching the fight to them to fight and then the end.
Oh my gosh, the author, why?
Maybe because the title is about training arc.
Yeah.
So there's another.
Wait, they end in
episode.
the, in the...
That's we call
Is it-
the cliffhanger.
Oh my gosh, that's it na. That's what I've been waiting, even though I'm scared.
Still, how many years is that?
Oh my gosh, I don't know, 5 years? 2
So
years?
Tamayo's gonna wait until 5 years and he's still there. Stop. 5 years later, okay, for sure.
Oh my gosh, oh my gosh.
And all of them are still flying after 5 years. They're still flying,
Yeah.
falling down pala. Oh my gosh, too many
I want
demons.
to see this next season na. I'm so excited, my gosh.
Yeah, maybe this time they need to kill the girl
Who's girl?
who's making the
The
guitarista. Like the guitar, diba? She's the
Yeah,
one
because-
she's the key.
She's strong, She can summon all of them. It's just one ting, ting.
Kaya nga, she's just using her eyes.
Yeah.
They have lost plenty of eyes.
She's also strong.
I don't know, maybe
I'm
that's
just
spider.
scared because what if... Oh yeah, I know there's a lot of demon then, but I'm just scared of... I don't care of the demon, the demon like...
The small,
Smaller
demon.
I'm just scared of the upper demon,
Yeah,
one by
number
one of
one.
them. I'm so scared. Like, super scared. Like, oh my gosh, that's the headquarters of demon, and then what if they're going to fight and then the guitar like ting 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 and then the space like ting 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 ting.
Yeah, I think it will be like that.
Wait,
If they're almost gonna get killed, and then there's a door.
they didn't even give time to them to, you know, to have grave to, is this the master? Because he died.
I think it's
And I thought on the master will die. I didn't know that all of them died. The whole
children
family
and
died.
Yeah, the four. See, I told you that's his daughter. You said not.
The twins?
The smaller in the background.
I don't know. That's his daughter.
Yeah, because he looks like, and the girl is just normal human. That is always the daughter of the priest. That's why he have the longer span of his sons or daughters. He's gonna die after birth, like that.
Yeah. And also, I hope also the former Hashira will go there to fight.
They're already old. They need to rest. how about
You
the
don't need
ano?
to rest until the Muzan is still alive.
Yeah, how about the 3 wives and that one with the dual sword?
I forgot his name, but I think it's, you know, like ding 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 ding. I put here. This guy, he's been was this retired.
Yeah, I hope they can also summon him because he's strong.
Yeah, even though it's retired or whatever former, if they need to, you know, all of them fight with him.
Maybe the eye doesn't know the headquarters of the. Di ba nga
No,
they only
because
locate
that-
90%. So there's 10% more.
And Zenitsu has been awakened, you know. I'm so excited because I feel like he's serious to fight the whole time of fighting by the demon, you know.
Yeah, he's not sleeping anymore. He's not making wacky faces. He's serious.
It's so very, it's so very,
serious.
ano ba, kakaiba ba? Parang hindi siya.
It's not the usual Zenitsu. It's another Zenitsu 2.0. Charot. Version 2.
Yeah.
Maybe something happened to his grandfather. That's, I bet. Because it's the only family of Zenitsu. And about the letter, we didn't see what's inside.
Next season.
Yeah, next after 5 years. 5 years? 5 years.
We don't know if 5 years. We just,
Like guessing.
guessing. Yeah, you guess.
Yeah, I hope it's gonna be next month. Charot. The author also need to relax. So, yung animator, they need to chill. After 5 years. The head of Tamayo.
Oh my gosh, do you think Tamayo gonna die?
I don't know. He cannot move though.
But I think, I
If
think
the-
not because
If the other demon will help Muzan.
syempre, they're going to help. They've been attacked the master.
Yeah, because something in Tamayo's hand is turning to Muzan into human. So Tamayo can't
I
go
think
out there.
I think the demon will focus on Tamayo
Yeah.
for save Muzan.
I don't know. Maybe they would just want to kill all the demons there. Corpse.
I'm scared. I'm still scared of the upper one. Like a lot of eyes here.
Yeah.
I feel like
and
he's so strong.
I hope Tanjiro is gonna fight that. I want to see his reaction.
Yeah, because they're relative, like, so
Ancestor.
Ancestor.
Yeah. The father of father, the brother of brother. I
I don't know, it's just ascensor.
Yeah,
Ascensor.
Sensor. That's why it's like it's in his bloodline. Oh, like that. Okay.
Yeah, so, yeah.
Bye.
We're gonna end this. It's so hot here.
Yes.
We're gonna end this last final season.
Last final season.
For
Last
Demon Slayer.
Ending.
See you in next season.
See you.
I hope we can still remember the story of this.
I will remember the head of Tamayo.
Alright, let's go. Sayonara, Mina.
Bye.
Sayonara.
Bye. Ready, kain na.